At the same time, those declared winners in the governorship races are preparing for their swearing in. But at least 9 of those who supposedly lost have sworn to challenge the results in court. Joel Kiriungi is here to tell us who is headed to court and what they have to do. Joel?
Thank you very much, Ben. Indeed, there are a number of gubernatorial candidates who have said that they will take their cases to court to challenge the elections results of some of the gubernatorial candidates across the country. Now, one of them is Mr. Lenny Kivuti, who is a current Embu senator. He moved to court to challenge Governor Wambora's win in the Embu contest. He says that he feels that the results do not really count well, and he has also moved to court to postpone the gazettement and swearing in of Governor Wambora on Friday. Another person who wants to go to court to challenge the same results is Miss Wavinya Ndeti. Another gubernatorial contestant who is moving to court is Dr. Kidero. Now, according to the results that were released by IBC, Dr. Kidero garnered 43%, approximately 43% of the votes against Governor-elect Mike Mbuvi Sonko. Dr. Kidero he says he wants the results recalculated to prove that indeed Mike Sonko was elected the governor of Nairobi. Now, another set of candidates that are going to court, he'll move matters to court. Another person is Mr. Jack Ranguma, who is the incumbent governor of Kisumu County. Mr. Jack Ranguma contested as an independent candidate, but he is challenging Professor Anyang' Nyong'o's win, who won on an ODM party ticket. There's also Mr. Peter Munya of Meru. Now, Mr. Peter Munya vied on a PNU ticket to seek re-election in Meru County, but was trounced by the current Meru Senator, Kidero Murungi, and is challenging the results in court. Let's move to the coast now. In Coast Province, there is Mr. Chirau Ali Makwere of Kwale County. Mr. Chirau Makwere came in third, and he wants to contest Salim Vuria's re-election, who won on a Jubilee Party ticket. There is also Mr. John Murutu, the incumbent governor of Taita Taveta County, and he is seeking to challenge the results that gave Granton Samboja, I beg your pardon, of Wiper Party, the ticket to run, the seat to run the Taita Taveta County. Then last but definitely not least is Mr. Kazungu Kambi of Kilifi County. Mr. Kazungu Kambi served as a former CES of Labour, and he's contesting Mr. Amason Kingi's re-election, saying that he feels that the results weren't counted free and fairly. Now, for all these candidates, they have the option of seeking redress in court. And what does that mean? It means that for them, they'll have to file a case and pay 30,000 shillings. After that, and that has to be done within a deadline of 28 days after declaration of results. Now, the results were declared on August 11th. So they have up to around mid-September to have that in place. After that, they have to serve the respondent with a petition. This has to be done 7 days after filing of the petition in court. After the respondent receives the court papers from the aggrieved party, they have up to 14 days to respond to the petition. Then, with that being done, as the CJ said, all election petitions will be handled within 6 months from the filing of the petitions. In 2013, the judiciary handled a total of 188 election cases. So it will be interesting to see what this year the judiciary will be able to manage, having in place a new group of magistrates and judges to deal with these issues. And that means by March of 2018, we expect the judiciary to have handled all cases regarding election matters. Well, that's all we have for you right now. Over to you, Ben, as we keep looking at more cases in court challenging election results.